What's up, screen printers? This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply. In this video, we're going to talk about pallet tape, what it is, why you need it, and how to use it. Stick around, we're getting started now. Pallet tape is a wide roll of tape used to protect your pallets from heat and also make it easy to remove lint from shirts from printing and times when you mistakenly printed your print right onto the pallet. In this video, we're going to go ahead and take our old pallet tape off and we're going to replace it with new pallet tape. You can start by peeling the edge up here, and it's just how it looks. It's a big piece of tape. Boom. It's gone. All right? So we have our new tape right here. Now this can be done in a variety of different ways. My personal method is to go ahead and get the tape started, and then I like to put my tape right here on the print arm, and then I'll unroll a little bit more and I'll set it right here on the print arm, and I will do my best to lay down this pallet tape without air bubbles. It's a little bit difficult, but if you take your time and go from the middle out, you can do a pretty good job of it. So that's looking pretty good. Got a couple minor air bubbles. Sometimes you can just push them to the side. And if you got one right in the middle and you don't want to peel your tape back up, you can take your box cutter or razor blade and you can cut a tiny slit in the hole and just push the air out of it. From here, I like to get my razor blade or box cutter. Got my razor blade, box cutter. Go ahead and open that up. I'm going to cut, but I'm going to leave about 3 inches of the tape. Go ahead and set that over here. And I'm going to fold this under. Do my best to fold it underneath the pallet and stick it underneath. So you go all the way around the edges, fold them down. What I also like to do is cut slits right here. This particular pallet has a neck kind of routed into the pallet, so we'll go ahead and cut some of that off. A very dull razor, but that's okay. Go ahead and cut to the pallet in a couple spots here. And we're going to go ahead and fold that under all the way around. If you're really feeling the need to, you can apply some 2-inch or 3-inch block-out tape underneath to further secure the pallet tape to your pallet, but in most cases not really necessary. So we have our new pallet tape on here ready to go. Now our pallet is free of dust and lint and dirt. No raised areas that will create a little divot in our print or any pattern in our print. So pallet tape is a quick and easy way to not use any chemical to get off all your lint and previous adhesive that's stuck to the pallet. You just peel the old one off, put the new one on, and you're good to go. This video is part of our playlist entitled Free Print Advice. At NorCal Screen Print Supply, we have everything for screen printing, and we help you make educated buying decisions based on your needs. Please check us out at our website, www.norcalsps.com, and thanks for watching.